Let's have a look at how we use modelling to support conceptual development. Here in stage 5, towards the end of the stage, we have a lovely activity whereby children use simple materials to make a sundial. It's a shadow clock, and we build on ideas from previous units about the way the sun casts shadows. It's a very cheap and easily accessible device using a cocktail stick and a piece of marked card, and all the instructions are here. I've got one ready-made to show you how it works. And here we have a completed sundial, cocktail stick and sticky tack and card marked up, and with a lamp from a mobile phone or something similar, we can show the passage of the shadow as the sun moves across the sky, telling us different times. Now, of course, there is a misconception here which this model supports, and that is that it's supporting the idea that the sun in fact does move across the sky. And of course we know that that's an illusion, that in fact it's the Earth that's turning. How can we build on that conceptual challenge? Well, here's my best solution. So here I have a miniature version of our sundial. But if I had a globe, I would locate this probably in the northern hemisphere on a globe. But today, I have a model globe, improvised by a coaster. Let's put the mini sundial on the model globe, and as all good globes do, they'll turn. So I'm going to mount the globe on my pencil so it can rotate. All I need now is a model sun. My assistant will bring the sun over and the sun will cast a shadow. It's 6 in the morning. And as the Earth turns, the morning progresses. We're now at 10 o'clock in the morning, and here's midday. As you see, the shadow's moving just as before. But this time the reason isn't the sun moving at all. It's that we live on a turning Earth. And that's why sundial shadows move.